because we completed the opening statements, we started GSL, and now we just started discussing a motion and utne mein 3 baj gaya. So it's
Okay.
okay.
ठीक है.
All right. Oh, works. कोई नहीं.
Karan, how was session for you?
It was okay. I feel sleepy.
आवाज से पता चल रहा है दोस्त.
And yeah,
कोई नहीं चलता है ये सब तो होता रहता है.
Okay.
But
You guys have like points listed down that you absolutely wanted them to go into your report, like, or have you figured out how you're going to start the report?
I think I have one opening paragraph.
Yeah.
Okay. Also, start thinking of catchy titles. Hi, Riya. How was session?
It's good. Rajnath Singh is killing it.
Okay. Do you
And
guys?
so is Adhir Ranjan. I don't know her name. The short hair
Riddhi
guy.
Rathi.
Yeah.
Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is
Chaudhary,
leader of
yeah.
opposition.
Yeah.
In LS, Lok Sabha.
Yeah.
My God. Ooh.
Is good.
And when it comes to, I was just asking them, have you also figured out how you want to start your report, or have you thought about it? You should start thinking about it, is what because so start thinking about how you want to start your report, and also to start thinking of catchy titles you want, because people forget that their reports need titles.
Yeah. So this is the same mistake I made last time as well. I had like so much content and I ended up with a writer's block, Manaksh knows. And then I was like, I don't know what to do with this. I'm stuck. I have no clue.
Exactly, which is why I'm saying कि अभी figure out करना चालू कर दो थोड़ा थोड़ा, so that you don't get stuck. Because a lot of people have a lot of content in the end, but have no
Makes
clue.
It's kind of like now overlapping into each other and it's kind of similar and
Exactly. So now is like now is a good time for you to figure out how you want your structure to go.
How's everyone else doing?
Hi Srivatsan, how are you? How is your committee?
Yeah, it was fine. I mean, went pretty fast. So I wrote how much I could.
Okay. ठीक है. So I was just telling them, start figuring out a structure for your report and starting basically how you want to start your report, and a catchy title as well, because people forget that they need titles and then they come up with very mediocre titles at the end कि 5 minute ही बाकी सब. So whatever comes.
मतलब कुछ भी लिख देते. Day 1 AIPPN. ऐसा सब भी लिखते लोग. ऐसा मत लिखना.
And after a point, it just gets frustrating for us. We are like, cool, you want that to be a title? Go ahead for it. Because there's only this much you can actually tell them, hey, can you come up with a title? Can you come? After a point, you're like, okay, if you can't,
Full feeding नहीं कर सकते ना मतलब.
So,
कुछ नहीं दे सकते ना.
Which is why I'm saying कि if you think in that way from now, then it becomes very easy for you in the end to think of a title, and doesn't need to have humor or drama, but at least it needs to be catchy in some way. So you need to figure that out. And I said this in my first training session also. If you haven't figured out what your writing style is, try and figure that out and maintain that during day 1 and day 2. So that once I read your day 1 report, I don't need to see your name the next day, and I know this is say Shreya's report, or I know this is Riya's report. And we will Manaksh, I usually provide feedback for the first day for the reports.
तो देना ही पड़ता है, तो उनको नहीं समझेगा ना.
So we'll do that. We'll do a detailed feedback for each one of you, all of your reports, and we'll tell you where what are the loopholes or what are the gaps you can fix for your second day. And then if we see a significant improvement from day 1 to day 2, that's it. Like that's where our job ends. Then the judging criteria is ठीक है, judge हुआ तो हुआ, नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ. But if you get a prize or not is not really important. What is important is that there's significant progress from day one.
Improvement.
So that's that. But as long as you guys, but nobody's struggling with content, right? Like कि content ही नहीं है लिखने को. Is that the case with anybody?
I mean, there's too much content maybe.
Too much content is a good thing. You have to figure.
Fine.
मतलब वो ऐसा कुछ relation मतलब I don't know how to say. Like अभी one person is saying something.
And the
So
second person is saying something unrelated, कुछ भी है.
Yeah, हाँ कुछ भी बोल रहे.
So that is every MUN ever. You'll have to figure out what are the things, again, question yourself, ask yourself, is this absolutely required for a report? Because just because it happened in committee doesn't mean it needs to be in the report. What needs to be in the report are, it has to tick everything in your list for it to be in your report. So every line that me and Manaksh reads needs to be engaging and needs to add value to your report. I know I keep saying this, but this is what people miss out on, that they just keep adding irrelevant information in their report. And every line is precious. Ensure that every line that you put in is there for a reason. So that'll ensure that your report is crisp, clear, and to the point. So, Watson, if there are things that are absolutely irrelevant to what's happened to the agenda and you think shouldn't be included in the report, go ahead. You have that liberty. So, जो भी clutter हटाना है, अगर तुम अपने if you've listed down 100 points and you just want to take 10 or 5 points out of it, that's absolutely fine. As long as the report is talking about something, there's a story behind the report, I'm okay with that. So try and clear out the clutter as much as possible. And if you still have issues, then let me and Manaksh know. We'll help you out there.
Definitely.
So that's that. Any other concerns you guys are having, or you guys think, oh, ये इसमें मुश्किल आ रहा है ऐसा कुछ?
I don't know, like I already had an existential crisis. Now I have one about my writing style. So
Why?
yeah.
Why do you have an existential crisis?
What do you mean क्या हो रहा है? Lockdown हो रहा है.
Right.
सब कुछ आ रहा है. Past life regression हो रहा है. सब कुछ हो रहा है.
That is not the problem we were talking about.
I know.
No. Let's
But
change
like,
is there a
what I mean is,
let's
like,
change
I'm
it from
questioning-
press to therapy.
Exactly. I would want it eventually. Oh my god. I am taking it, by the way, but like
That's kind
yeah.
of good for you.
Yeah. But yeah, what I mean is like I'm already questioning a lot of things about my own identity, and now I don't know what my writing style is.
Don't stress about it. Whatever you write is your writing style. You don't have to
Exactly.
you don't have to consciously include that or incorporate that. That's something that happens naturally. So ज़्यादा stress मत लो ये सब पे.
Yeah, I
life-
won't. Like
life
the most I'll do
problems
is
are
just go take a nap. That's fine.
Yeah.
Just wake up on time.
Yeah, I hope.
And
Manaksh is done with my work ethic. He's like, I give up on this girl.
No.
Manaksh, were you also sleeping?
No. अरे वो laptop दिमाग खा रहा है. अभी it just came, no? So the Microsoft Office is missing because we had to reset the entire thing.
Google
And
Docs.
I lost my product key.
Oh, great.
हाँ तो वही ढूंढ रहा हूँ कब से.
Yeah, as Riya said, for now Google Docs should work. Drive link बना दिया क्या हमने?
मैंने बना दिया है, मैं भेज रहा हूँ थोड़ी देर में.
ठीक है, cool. Cool. You guys have to go get back to your committees when? अभी break चल रहा है क्या? Or is it still on?
Still ongoing.
तुम लोग को बोर हो रहा है क्या? मेरे को सब लोग से ऐसा feeling आ रहा है that everyone is just done.
The only interesting part was the 0 hour, and then you told me that I'm not allowed to attend it.
So, but
genuinely पूछ रहा हूँ, बहुत तकलीफ हो रही है क्या?
पता नहीं, सब बहुत बड़े शब्द यूज करे जा रहे थे थोड़ा.
वो तो है, लोगों का प्रॉब्लम है, हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते उस बारे में.
I know. I have so many like kacha points. Like I mean, they're going so fast. Like I start writing and then like आधा है मेरे पास.
तो you have to realize कि ये जो भी आए सबको जीतने का बहुत शौक चढ़ा है. तो फर्स्ट डे पे तो एनर्जी बहुत हाई होता है, मतलब एवरीबडी इज ट्राइंग टू स्ट्रगलिंग टू मेक देयर मार्क एंड एवरीथिंग. बट डे 2 में इट बिकम्स थोड़ा और सबड्यूड. पीपल know whether they have a shot or not, and then things get a little more better. But first day is fierce, like people are just trying to make their mark, because ऐसा हो जाता है, EB का भी bias हो जाता है वो when they keep noticing somebody, you know. But if it's a good EB, they'll read through the bullshit. So
like during the break session, one of them were like, because there's a government and the opposition, right? So there were only 5 people from the government side, and one of them is like, सब निकल जाते हैं, ये लोग क्या करेंगे? Then the other guy is like, 500 रुपए भरा है, कल करते हैं.
What?
They're like,
सच्ची?
500 रुपए भरा है, कल देखते हैं, आज attend कर लेंगे.
but
Because
like
I think a lot of people were supposed to join Rajya Sabha, but now there are only 11 people.
But I think when it comes to online MUNs, what it solves is accessibility. Like one thing that is good, something good that has come out is that people can actually access, because I always used to feel the delegate fee was too high. Again,
हाँ, exactly. So
What?
300 में anyone can do it. Whoever wants to attend or whoever wants to at least experience it can get to experience it.
And a lot of people have this fear of public speaking, which I think can be eliminated when it comes to online MUNs.
हाँ, तुम
Because
video बंद कर देते हो.
there's no fear of judgment.
हाँ.
You're literally at home and you can, you know, speak your heart out, and then
Screw up too much, you can just log out.
you can, so you have control over what you want to say, and if you want to, as Karan said, you want to log out or anything. But I think that's very important. Like this is my first online MUN, so I've just been pondering about how this is, you know, a better platform, or at least a replaceable platform. But again, MUNs in its essence should remain, but at the same time there has to be some you know, some changes that needs to be made to the online platform to ensure that
the reason I would love the online platform is you know how in real life somebody introduces themselves to you and then you forget the name.
Yeah,
over here the name is written.
His name is written. Yeah, it's much better there like that. Yeah, I agree. So, but no, I think it's good that way. I've just been thinking about how, like, I'm sure this is like temporary. Once the pandemic thing blows over, everybody would want the offline version again.
But I think that this will continue in some form or another. Like लोग कुछ ना कुछ लोग तो करते रहेंगे.
And it might even make the whole international forum open to everyone.
Yeah,
so that would be one.
I hope
Unlimited possibilities.
Could be.
I hope it does. I'm still very intrigued about the future of online MUNs once the once there's a vaccine and once offline MUNs are a possibility again. Will they sustain themselves or not? And I think they should in some form. I think it could be a good PR stunt for bigger online MUNs to have bigger offline MUNs to have like smaller mini online MUNs, because it's
also for some huge offline MUNs to have a free offline youth parliament.
Exactly. So something of that sort could happen. I'm hoping Salman, Mumbai Man, you know, acts on it. And
one of them is,
yeah, one of the representatives of those MUNs are here. Is Salman a big man though? Like, can we call it a big man? It is. I think it was small previously, and it's growing.
It's transforming. Yeah.
Oh, who's here? I don't know this person.
You want chocolate? I got chocolate.
2 minute का रास्ता है, मैं आके ले लूँगा.
And no, तुम लोग सबका college सब चालू हो गया क्या? Or are you guys still waiting on?
NMI में शुरू हो गया.
हाँ, चालू हो गया.
NMI में तो चालू हो गया. And everybody, like all of you, like how are online classes? I luckily escaped online classes because I graduated before that. But
did I miss out on anything?
No, you didn't. We're just chilling here.
Did I miss out on
Whoa.
anything in the session?
नहीं कुछ नहीं टाइम पॉइंट
We are doing big brain time. हमारा big brain time चल रहा है discussion इधर. Meme पता होगा तो funny लगेगा नहीं तो नहीं लगेगा.
ऑफ कोर्स
Yes.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
See, I don't understand half of the memes that are happening. I feel old now. Like it takes me time to understand what is the trend or क्या हो रहा है, because
You're not old, you just have a job and it's good. You have things to
That's
do.
which is what old people do. So,
Oh, please don't do that. I just graduated. But no, it's like, it's not like I don't understand it. It takes me time. Like I need like 4 or 5 people to reiterate that meme for me to get it. But yeah.
बट ऑल्सो नेक तूने एक चीज मिस आउट कर दिया ये कि यूनियन मिनिस्टर बोला कि सेंटर ने अच्छा पॉलिसी बनाया तो स्टेट को भी उससे इंस्पिरेशन लेना चाहिए और अप्लाई नहीं दूसरे नए रेगुलेशन बनाने चाहिए उसकी
और
वजह
नहीं,
से
प्रकाश जावड़ेकर.
हाँ ऑफ कोर्स
और कौन बोलेगा?
People from press. Can you just tell me what like very weird or interesting things happened in every committee? मुझे कल closing ceremony में बोलना है. मैं सच में लिख के बैठी हूँ, देख सकते हो.
Nice.
Ajit Jogi is there in our AIPPM.
AIPPM क्या बोला?
उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है क्योंकि
Shashi Tharoor.
chat box went crazy saying Ajit Jogi is dead. What are they doing?
What the hell? Okay.
Oh right. हाँ ये हुआ शिवम भी बात कर रहा था कि बहुत बड़ा goof up हो गया ये.
अरे इवन JPS में हुआ ना, देयर इज नो शरद पवार. शरद पवार आया था JPS में और कांड करके गया है.
गाली दे के क्या वो ही था क्या?
हाँ.
And I think Shashi Tharoor.
सिर्फ लोकसभा ही है क्या कि जो बराबर चल रहा है अच्छे से?
हर्षांश भाई का टेरर.
He's a cutter.
Still
what
going
did
strong.
Shashi Tharoor do?
Paradoxical things are happening. ये वो.
कहाँ?
जिसको भी he's asking questions ना, he's getting flunked.
No, Shashi Tharoor is being in character, like he's
Which
That's
AIPPM.
very weird because in
Exasperating Farooq.
और
Shashi
आयरॉनिकली ये भी ऐड कर सकते हो कि जावड़ेकर ने ऑपोजिशन को ज्यादा क्वेश्चन पूछा इनफैक्ट बीइंग इन पावर हिमसेल्फ सो वो एक आयरनी है
Shashi Tharoor and JSK is only
I had to raise a factual inaccuracy, but तब तक 12 बज गए थे and the moderators and deputy moderators of AIPPM had left. So इनको मैं पहले बता. Can't hear you.
Your voice is very
Your
choppy.
voice is
Amanaksh.
breaking. Yeah.
Very choppy. Okay, yeah.
What was the factual inaccuracy, Nick?
इसको मनाक्ष को भेज दिया है मैंने. I confirmed it with the scribe also just now while I was outside waiting to be allocated the breakout room. Arshad Madani in their opening statement had said that huh? आवाज नहीं.
Your
Yeah,
voice
he
is
sent it
still
to me.
breaking, Manaksh.
As per World Air Quality Report, Ghaziabad and Kanpur are the worst living air quality in the world. Kanpur is not even in the 50 cities. Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
Noted. Great. So who was this? Who was the who was the
Arshad Madani.
Arshad Madani. Cool. Apart from that, did you guys have like notes and everything? Did you guys make notes?
Yeah, so I believe Ahmed has also made notes of opening statements and a few
Yes.
POIs that were raised and the answers that these parliamentarians gave to them. So yeah.
So, but Rangan told me, like Rangan has texted in the group that the research is good, like people, that the delegates are have researched fairly well. So
to be very honest, about I can say around 10 to 12 or so opening statements have taken place right now, maybe 13, 14 at most. Half of them have verbatim just given out definitions of terms or they have just told us कि ये act है, ये act है, ये act है, bus, and at least 3 to 4 more people have in their opening statements given a very blanket suggestion कि you want to tackle environmental problems, start using cloth bags, stop using plastic, start making individual change. So they even received POIs with respect to what about industrial wastage and industrial pollutants, because they are harming at a much more, wider scale.
Exactly. Yeah.
But उस पे भी their answers were the same कि
Also,
individual change करोगे तो हो जाएगा.
Right.
Also, यूनियन मिनिस्टर भी मतलब ऐसा ब्लैंक लाइक पूरा जनरलाइज करके बोल रहा है कि पोल्यूशन कर्ब करने के लिए हम लोग डेवलपमेंट कर रहे हैं, या ये इसके लिए लेके आया था ये वो.
अरे बीच में तो कोरोना आ गया. क्या आप एनवायरनमेंट का बोल रहे हो? आपने कोरोना कुछ नहीं किया है बीच में. ममता बनर्जी को बोल रहे हैं कि आपने कोरोना के टाइम पे बोल दिया वी हैव नो दिस, so how can you tackle environment?
Still choppy. Manaksh, still choppy. Can't hear you. Hi, Naga. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. We were just talking about AIPPM.
Yeah, I realized. Actually, I'm so sorry I couldn't reply to Nate or Ahmed for that matter because I was trying to note down everything as possible. I couldn't, unfortunately, but I tried my best. So,
नहीं.
Good, better.
Sorted. हाँ, तो मैं क्या बोल रहा था? The odd attacking will keep on happening. So you can choose to mention it. You may not mention it. That is definitely up to you.
But I think you guys will have enough content by the end of the day for
juicy content.
Definitely. Now, अभी तुमको the main problem you will have on your hands is to unclutter. इतना जो noise है तुम्हारे पास, वो तुमको decode करना पड़ेगा कि क्या important है, क्या important नहीं है.
Also, sorry to interrupt, but शशि थरूर का पहले मुझे बोल रहा था वो चैट में, मैंने उसको पूछा कि तू अगेंस्ट है कि फॉर है. सो उसने एक जनरलाइज स्टेटमेंट बोला कि हम लोग को अटैक नहीं करना चाहिए गवर्नमेंट को. फिर सेकंड स्टेटमेंट में उसने बोला कि क्या था, बीजेपी अच्छा कर रहा है, नहीं हम लोग दोनों को साथ में पार्टी पॉलिटिक्स नहीं करना है और साथ में आ जाना है और एनवायरनमेंट के लिए बेटर करना है. मतलब पॉइंट क्या है? वो एक कंक्लूसिव स्टेटमेंट नहीं बोल पा रहा था, उसका स्टांस इधर से उधर हो रहा है.
How? But if he's saying don't attack the party और वो आगे जाके बोल भी रहा है कि हमको उनको हेल्प करना चाहिए, तो how is his stance changing?
एक सेकंड मैं नोट्स में देख के बताता हूँ.
Recognize the presence of AIPPM scribe.
But yeah, ठीक है. I think at least all of you will have enough content by the end of the day. If you have any doubts regarding what's happening in the committee, you can always text us. With regards to Maharashtra Legislative Assembly, what's up? How is content? जितना इनको मिला उतना मिला तुम लोगों को? Yeah, you guys are waiting for the next session.
So when we joined, I think there was a notice which was going on, I guess, or I think the opening statements. I'm not sure.
Okay.
So वो तो चालू था, so we heard that. We missed 2-3. We missed the Uddhav Thackeray's and two more speakers. We missed their speeches, but then we heard all those speeches, and then they moved into a question hour session.
Text them for their speeches, अगर चाहिए तो.
So I think I'll text the scribe about that. And then they had a break of about an hour because they are discussing all the notices and questions के लिए time दिया था. In the 11:15 they started the question hour session, and they are supposed to have a 0 hour after this till 1 o'clock. So 12 to 1 they are supposed to have a 0 hour. So I don't know if they having it or not, because questions काफी लोगों के बाकी थे.
Okay, ठीक है. But both of you are not having trouble. I'm sure you guys are Maharashtrian, so मतलब ये इसमें तो problem नहीं है. But otherwise, do you have any problem in translating whatever they're saying into English and making
No, not really.
No. So the thing is,
Lele is translating, no?
Yeah, the thing is, Naman doesn't know Hindi. Naman and Joanna, so Lele has to, translate most of the stuff. Which is why even if we have some clarifications, अपने आप clear हो जाता है.
Right. Who are the chairs for MLA? Lele and
Jatin.
Lele and Jatin. Okay.
All right, ठीक है. As long as that translation is happening and it's not, you guys are not advantage, that's fine.
But it is also that they, as of now, also they are having a very generalized approach towards the agenda. Then I think that is what they have planned, because they are like they will have discuss the crisis on day one, and the loan waiver part they are supposed to discuss tomorrow.
Okay.
So basically they are building up to it, right? तो लिख पाओगे ना, कुछ problem तो नहीं है ना?
नहीं है, problem तो नहीं है.
ठीक है. So as long as one more thing I'll do is once first session हो गया, second session हो गया, you will start getting the beginning of the whole report. वो तुम्हारे मन में आ जाएगा कि कैसे begin करना है, क्या करना है. So start jotting that down. If not the complete report, at least the flow of the report, because then while you're typing it out, it will become much easier for you to what are the points I want to note down. वो सब एक अगर अलग से एक पेज में if you write कि ये points मुझे for sure report में चाहिए, then it will become easier, much easier for you to write the report, say 2 hours before, whenever you're rejoining this. So ठीक है, that is that. And screenshots ले पाए, कुछ ऐसा कुछ हुआ कि screenshot लेने लायक कुछ हुआ?
About that, आधे लोग का वीडियो बनता, आधे लोग का ये कम था, इंटरनेट कनेक्शन बहुत लो था. सो
नेक्स्ट टाइम शशि थरूर का ले लो, अगर वो इतना ही एनिमेटेड है.
उसका लिया, बट उसमें पता है क्या प्रॉब्लम है? द गाइज हैंड्स वुड नॉट बी स्टिल, हिज बॉडी वुड नॉट रिमेन स्टिल. वो पूरा टाइम यूं कुछ ना कुछ कर रहा है वो. तो उसके लिए तो है मैंने, बट बहुत ब्लर्ड.
Are you sure I am not Shashi Tharoor?
Ask me that in 3 years.
ठीक है. I think for now we have everything sorted. Then let's reconvene. When are we reconvening, Manaksh?
2 घंटा. हाँ, yes अनघा.
1 o'clock.
Mute है तू बहन.
1 o'clock.
No. Why at 1 o'clock?
Because we are supposed to come back at 1. So even y'all are supposed to come back at 1.
No, they are coming at 2. हम लोग 2 घंटे के इंटरवल में बुला रहे हैं उन लोग को. और 2 बजे का मीटिंग फाइनल होगा, फिर उसके बाद 3:30 को you guys will, तुम लोग का 3:30 बोला कि 4:30 बोला था मैंने? I have written 4:30 बोला था ना.
Ours is 4 p.m. AIPPM 4 p.m.
ड्राफ्ट का टाइम क्या बोला?
ड्राफ्ट का टाइम ड्राफ्ट 5:45 है, फाइनल 7 o'clock.
हाँ, तो 4 बजे इधर आ जाओ फिर.
हाँ, तो अभी
2 बजे और 4 बजे.
ठीक है.
2 बजे अगेन, मतलब we won't ask you. हाँ, मतलब बस 5 मिनट 10 मिनट रहेगा if you want to clarify something, and if you think कुछ ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें हो रही है कमेटी में.
सागर, somebody was asking me yesterday कि अगर लास्ट सेशन नहीं पाऊँ तो मैं एंड कैसे करूँगा? ऑर्थोडॉक्स नहीं हो जाता.
हाँ,
बेसिकली वो मेरा डाउट था कि मैं अगर एंड लाइक क्लोजिंग स्टेटमेंट्स में नहीं रहा
है ना.
hello, yeah, tell me. Manaksh, your video is very हाँ, अहमद, you tell me what were you asking?
Okay, so वही वो पॉइंट आउट कर रहा था कि अगर मैं एंड तक नहीं रुकूंगा, so like पूरा टाइम फ्रेम की वजह से और क्रोनोलॉजिकली मुझे लिखना नहीं है ना कि ये हुआ.
नहीं, that is
करके लिख सकता हूँ ना.
हाँ, you can as long as the report has a coherent flow. The flow of the report and the committee does not need to be the same. But मतलब ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि तुम्हारा रिपोर्ट ही इनकम्प्लीट है because you are not in the end.
नहीं, बट मेरा मेन डाउट यही था कि कंक्लूजन कुछ ऐसा देना नहीं है ना एंड में कि like
I mean it has to, you have to have an ending. मतलब वो ending कैसे लाना है? You have to think of how do I end this, how our sessions, now that you know that this is day 1 and day 2 भी होने वाला है, you can always say that the committee or whatever they want to reserve all of these topics for day 2 or something. But since you have another day, then you try and bring that into picture or that into light while concluding.
बट बेसिकली एंड तो वैसे भी एम्बिगुअस ही होता है ना, ऐसा नहीं होता कि कुछ इस पे आ गए लोग.
नहीं, बिकॉज़ वो तो डे 2 पे होगा ना, डे 2 के कंक्लूजन पे होगा.
That is what even I was asking. See, as I said, na, because they are having a very generalized approach for today, so the conclusion also won't be as specific.
which is why I told you ना कि day 2 का बस ये ऐसा ending कर दो जहाँ day 2 में क्या discuss करने वाले हैं उसका थोड़ा hint दे देना.
बट ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि तुम्हारा कंक्लूजन इज वेरी इनसैटिस्फैक्टरी. तो ऐसा लग रहा नहीं है कि खत्म किधर अब्रप्ट एंडिंग नहीं. दैट इज समथिंग इवन आई यूज्ड टू हैव अ प्रॉब्लम हिस्ट्री में बहुत अब्रप्टली एंड कर देता था. ट्राई नॉट एंडिंग इट अब्रप्टली.
या आई रिमेंबर.
ऐसा मतलब कुछ नहीं है. आई एम बिल्डिंग अप द समवेयर एंड देन फिनिश. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए.
एंटी क्लाइमैक्स.
हां. So I'm sure you will get a flow. पूरा तो खत्म हो जाने दो and then we will discuss it separately individually and see flow कैसे लेके आना है. हो जाएगा flow तो don't worry about it. Content तो लेके आ जाओ फिर flow तो हम बनवा देंगे.
मैं वो ड्राइव लिंक भिजवाता हूँ थोड़ी देर में या फिर तुमको व्हाट्सएप पे भेजना है. क्या करना है तुमको?
Drive
what do you think?
Drive is better. Drive is organized. Sure. It's not very difficult to upload also, no? रख देंगे उधर ही.
Because I faced those issues कि काफी लोग को अपलोड करना ही नहीं आ रहा था. तो अभी मैं यहाँ बैठ के अपलोड करना तो नहीं सीखा.
नहीं अगर अपलोड करने का कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो मैं अपलोड कर दूंगा. ये हो जाएगा. But I don't think वो ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम है. All of these people are very brilliant. Like
अरे the team is really good. Sagar and I were discussing this सुबह कि we are disappointed that offline नहीं हो पाया.
हाँ यार.
It would have been fun to be among
I know. Offline कितना सही होता है.
ठीक है. I think we have to now talk to the other set of people.
Ipsa, could you tell us if the 0 hour is going on in MLA or not? Could you just check up?
I'll check. I'll let you know.
ठीक है. So you guys can take a break, have your lunch and stuff like that. We will meet again soon.
Done.
ठीक है. चलो. Bye.
Bye.
At 2, right?
हाँ.
2.
Ipsa, we come back at 2, right?
Yes, I said yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, but then what about Lok Sabha and all का?
वो अभी आएंगे 12:30 बजे. तो 12:30 + 2 मेरे हिसाब से 2:30 होता है.
So we have to wait, right? Pearl, you have to wait. Okay.
Ipsa, yeah, wait. You have to come back at 1, no?
Yeah.
We have to come back at 1. Okay, cool. Anyway, I'm gonna leave you all now. Bye.
Okay, the 0 hour is still going on.
ब्रेकआउट रूम लीव नहीं करना है ना.
ब्रेकआउट रूम निकल लो ना. अभी तुम लोग अपने इधर AIPPM.
अरे मनाश 0 hour चले तो इधर ही रुको क्या?
I think 0 hour में you guys are not.
No, they are not supposed to attend the 0 hour. It is illegal.
Illegal. Okay.
है illegal. मजाक नहीं कर रहा है.
तब तक I'll pause the recording, right? Yeah.
Like keeping track of what the agenda was, that was very difficult because they were using a lot of acronyms, and mainly one of the problems was these guys, they're texting on the WhatsApp group, right? So they're putting the topic on the WhatsApp group, they're putting their questions on the WhatsApp group, and in the actual group where we are, they're not reading the questions out loud. Like, and even if they're, it's very difficult to make out, So there's no reference to help.
All right. I understand. I've told Ipsa to do that. She'll do it.
Yep. But content, I guess it's a bit difficult. I mean, general environment that can be easily written about, like general spirit,
All right. So I don't think you have any problem right now, right? So next meet at 2:30. फिर जो अलग टाइम दिया है उसके बाद आना. 2:30 को भी 5-10 मिनट ये डिस्कस करेंगे कि कंटेंट मिल रहा है या नहीं. फिर जो उसके बाद आना है तो तुम लोग चालू कर देना रिपोर्ट लिखना. कुछ मदद चाहिए रहेगा तो बता देना.
2:30 के बाद
नहीं, 2:30 के बाद 2:30 को भी आना. तभी भी यही बात डिस्कस करेंगे कि कमिटी कैसा जा रहा है, कुछ तकलीफ है या नहीं.
When do we start writing the report? Like बैठ के नहीं.
तुमको मैंने टाइम क्या दिया था? ब्रेक में आना. 2:30 के बाद जो ब्रेक है ना 4:30 वाला.
हाँ.
तब आना.
Okay. So we start writing then, right?
Yes,
2:30 के.
basically. I have a request. AIPPM and MLA, can you please leave the breakout room? बहुत confusion हो रहा है मेरे को किससे बात कर रहा हूँ मैं.
चलेगा.
अच्छा, listen ना, I had a doubt. वो
हाँ.
fact का जो I sent to you on WhatsApp, I should send that to the moderator or deputy moderator after the session begins.
तुमने स्क्राइब से बात किया ना?
हाँ, स्क्राइब के साथ मैंने ऊपर से बात
हाँ,
किया.
बस है फिर.
बस है ना, ठीक है.
हाँ.
चलो, थैंक यू.
Alright.
Naksh, are you there?
कौन बात कर रहा है? अच्छा.
रिया.
हाँ, मैं इधर ही है.
12:30 को बुलाया था ना?
हाँ, करो ना फिर बात. कैसा गया? Did you have any problems?
Not really. It was fine.
Content मिल रहा है?
I guess.
I think I pissed off the deputy chair a bit.
हाँ, ठीक ठाक है. ऐसा repetitive है.
Wait. What? Why did you piss off the deputy chair?
I think I did. जानबूझ करके नहीं.
क्या किया?
What do you mean, boy?
क्या किया वो तो बता.
सवाल पे सवाल पूछा.
न मत कर. You're not supposed to speak.
How are you supposed to figure out what the agenda was? Like, so I spoke to the scribe, and then the scribe was like, deputy se baat kar, then the deputy was like, WhatsApp group se baat kar.
Yeah,
it felt like I was applying for a driving license in a government institution. Like, might as well piss him off.
Don't do that. ऐसा सब नहीं करने का.
We asked him in private chat. He only asked us to message him on WhatsApp.
अच्छा, तो ठीक है. हाँ, तो coming back to where I was. हाँ, tell me.
Tell me, continue.
हाँ, रिया बोल.
I don't have anything to say.
Content मिला क्या? ऐसा पूछ रहा है मैं.
अच्छा, कंटेंट तो मिल रहा था वैसे तो. Like, and what about the factual inaccuracy का? Like, people are pointing it out. So if people are already pointing it out, should I even like?
तुमको खुद से जो मिल रहा है वो बता दो. People will keep on pointing it out because उनको तो raise करना ही होता है point of order. But you being the press, you also had a certain degree of authenticity to it. आवाज नहीं आ रहा है मेरा.
Okay.
हाँ, ऐसा है.
अभी आ रहा है.
हाँ, तो ऐसा है.
How important is that? Like, what if you don't do it?
If you don't find anything, तो मैं भी क्या ही बोल सकता हूँ at the end of the day. But if you do, तो ठीक है, मार्किंग स्कीम में है वो, तो विल मार्क यू अकॉर्डिंगली. I don't think, and I personally don't think that it is possible for any committee to go without at least one person being factually incorrect, because that is how it is. There's so much
Even if they are, and if the other person points it out, wouldn't it be kind of cheating to like point it, like, because सामने वाले ने point किया ना at the end of the day.
वो भी है वो. This is something new that we have started. तो हर नए सिस्टम के साथ कुछ ना कुछ flaws तो होंगे ही ना. फुल प्रूफ तो रख नहीं सकते.
Because other people are pointing it out in the chat. So.
All right.
Yeah.
Shreya.
I don't have any problem. No.
Content मिल रहा है? कुछ problem है? You think तुमको लग रहा है ना कि तुमको at the end of the day you will have enough to write an article of it?
Yeah.
All right. और कौन है इधर? दीक्षा तो हो. हाँ, ये लोग हो गया ना. श्रीवत्सन अहमद, any problem? No. All good?
Yeah. Just वो question list मिल गया तो अच्छा रहेगा, because
क्या?
the question list, like they are just running through it too fast. So,
Yeah,
तो तुम
same.
ईप्सा
Yeah.
ईप्सा ये
Yeah.
कुछ तो क्वेश्चन लिस्ट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, मुझे समझ नहीं आया.
Which committee?
Rajya Sabha.
Question list.
Yeah, like will we get the list to see for ourselves?
Question hour होगा.
हाँ, question hour में the questions
हाँ,
that
you
are
are
there.
not allowed. हाँ, उसमें तुम लोग
That
बैठ
is-
नहीं सकते. You are not allowed to attend question hour.
Okay.
क्वेश्चन आवर भी नहीं.
तो क्या बोल रहा है भाई?
अरे is question hour and zero are different.
Yeah, they're different.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah, but you are not allowed to attend either.
Oh, if sir, then I don't have any content because we had only one speech.
हाँ, तो अभी आगे सेशन तो होगा ना दोस्त.
अच्छा
पूरा
ठीक है.
कंटेंट मैंने तो 0 आवर पे वेस्ट किया. मेरे को क्या मालूम.
तुमको
वो
आगे अभी
कुछ बोला नहीं.
नेक्स्ट सेशन में मिलेगा ना तुम लोग को. अभी तो 2:30 बजे तक तो पता चल ही जाएगा.
So we weren't supposed to be in the question hour or the.
Yeah, you aren't supposed to be in the question hour.
What were we supposed to do?
क्या कर रहा था हम लोग?
Hi guys. Sorry, I was on another call. Yeah, hi. How is committee? How is?
इनका पूरा कंटेंट क्वेश्चन आवर और 0 आवर पे बेस्ड है. Which they are not supposed to attend.
Yeah,
So
I take
basically
that
I
back.
told them कि अभी जो इसके बाद वाले सेशंस होंगे उनमें तो उनको आराम से मिल ही जाएगा, ये बता दिया. तो प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं आना चाहिए.
ठीक है. But shouldn't be a problem. Just early days.
Do you guys want the reporters to be added in the committee groups also, respective? कि I got to text.
राज्यसभा वालों को बोला है ऐड करने.
I think
No.
निशान भाई नहीं apparently.
See, based on the pretense that we could attend the question hour, then it would make sense to know what the questions are because the questions are being posted on the group. But now that
So you are not supposed to attend those. You are not supposed to attend those. So your session technically begins now. अभी तुम जाओगे इसके बाद तो
Apart from that, is there only Rajya Sabha where is
नहीं, सबका सिर्फ सबका MLA का भी वही प्रॉब्लम है.
Oh.
उनका भी कंटेंट वही था.
Oops. But ठीक है. Early days.
That is where the most saucy content came from. Like, the stuff
Ria, how was your session?
Mine was pretty good. They had their speakers list, and after that, they discussed one topic with around. They had like 15 speakers for 30 minutes. So yeah, it was a good amount
That's
of
nice.
content.
ठीक है. That's good. That's good. Cool. I told this to the previous batch as well. Start having a rough draft, which is essentially only points you think should absolutely be included in your final report. Start having those points separately, and during the course of the debate, you will start understanding start trying to figure out how you want to start the report, how you want to conclude it. Because people struggle with that. People don't struggle with the content. The main content, it's always how do you start, how do you end. So try and find a narrative around how you're going to begin, and try and create a whole coherent flow for the report. But I think to start off, just start jotting down points you absolutely want included in your report. So you'll be able to do that since you have a lot of points written down. Just ask yourself, is this absolutely necessary in the report, or is this making a difference? If it is making a difference to the report or adding value, those go into the report. The others can be eliminated. Yes, Karan.
So if somebody, like, if there was a very fun moment,
okay,
with a lot of
humor,
like, which was very funny, but it happened during 0 hour.
No, sorry.
Arey yaar.
Manaksh, are you speaking? Because you're on mute.
क्या हुआ था वो तो बता दे.
Yeah, a lot happened. Like, one of them went like, because they were fighting each other. Then someone was like, can we keep the spirit of the debate democratic? Then someone was like, वो BJP वाला उसको कहाँ पे democracy आता है?
Can we use this as a leak? Someone leaked it to you. You're not supposed to report basically, so cancel.
Unless we decide that we want to do blind items in our newsletter as well,
What is
Somebody
those?
said something about some.
we can
someone.
have a section like that.
Somebody on JSS used a very unparliamentary word, and apparently they weren't in the committee. They like Matrix से उनका नाम नहीं था, and then they left it in between. It was very weird.
क्या बोला?
अच्छा शरद पवार वाला.
I don't think I'm supposed to say that word.
गाली था क्या मतलब?
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Oh, all right.
Like one of my favorite phrases I heard was कि stop blaming us for 5G. तुम्हारे 2G scam के time पे तुम कबूतरों को खाना खिला रहे थे क्या? So I said, okay.
What?
Yeah, it's happened.
Okay.
2G scam was such a big scam that it did not even turn out to be a scam.
And then हवा में ताली मारना, so many. But
ठीक है. Apart from that, are you guys having like for the first timers? Are you guys having fun? Like
It looks like they are. मेरे को तो लग रहा है मजे कर रहे हैं लोग.
as long as you're having fun. ठीक है.
No content. That's all.
All right, we reach in 2 hours. Then मिल जाएगा तब तक content, tension मत लो.
Hello. Yeah.
कंटेंट मिल जाएगा ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ मैं, टेंशन मत लो. 2 घंटे में मिलते हैं सब लोग, क्योंकि उसके बाद भी तुमको और 1.5 घंटा मिलने वाला है, क्योंकि मैं तुमको 4 बजे और 4:30 बजे रिस्पेक्टिवली बुलाया है. तो तुमको इसके बाद भी कितना 4 घंटा बचता है कंटेंट लेने के लिए. 3.5 से 4 घंटे है तुम्हारे पास और. तो कुछ मेरे हिसाब से तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए, बट हुआ तो बता देना. विल वर्क अराउंड इट.
Now it starts from 1, right? We have a break.
Yeah, go have your